Okay, so sabi ni Carl, how to do basics Muay Thai. Okay, ganyan, no? Hands, straight hands, then uppercut. Kung mag-uppercut, saka ganyan. Uppercut, elbow, so don't forget to, ganyan, then elbow, and turn and elbow, then knee, so dapat na hindi ka naka-liyad, and knee, then push kick, block, then push kick, and so halimbawa magsipa siya, kick, kung kick ang kalaban mo, then block. Okay, so block this knee, block mo siya sa knee ang kanyang sipa, ganyan, and turn ito. Okay, so ganyan na. So, salamat po sa inyong panonood.